Is mine blinking?
Yeah.
Sweet. I wasn't sure if that was mine or yours.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
What the hell? Jesus Christ. Bro, I didn't even fucking bog it that time. Fuck off. Fuck. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus.
Kickstarter brake.
Yeah.
Taking it with your toe though, not your fucking leg. You keep getting caught.
Whoa! Jesus! Bro! All I saw out of the corner of my eye was a bike flying. I thought you were on it. I was like, what the fuck? Holy.
Oh.
You alright?
Bent the handlebar.
What the fuck? Dude! Holy shit!
I let it rip.
I wish I got that on film, but I don't think I did.
I did.
Holy shit!
Alright.
The thing just. Oh, Jesus. How the fuck did you manage that?
I hit a bump in that whiskey throttle.
Holy fuck, dude. It scared the shit out of me because I thought you were going to try to rip by me right here. I'm like, what the fuck?
I gotta get out of here. How the fuck did I get out of here, actually? Start it.
Dude.
I wasn't on it, thank God. Fuck.
I thought you were. I was like, where's Derek going? Fucking doing. Holy shit. Uh-oh.
Alright.
Are they way over there, or where are they?
Yeah, come give me a hand.
I am going to, but hold on.
Fuck, I can't believe I bent the handlebar. Like, right fucking off.
Dude, that's fucked.
It's about to break.
Oh, Jesus.
Fuck. Damn it.
Dude, what the fuck?